Millions of people struggle with sleep as they get older, and if you're over 40, you may have already noticed that sleep doesn't come as easily as it used to. But what if one of the most powerful sleep aids wasn't a pill, but a simple food that's been around for thousands of years? Can mushrooms really improve your sleep as you age? The answer is yes, not because they knock you out like a sleeping pill, but because they help your body fix the root causes of poor sleep. In this video, I'll be breaking down how they can help improve your health and improve your sleep, and also outline a practical guide for you to start using them in your daily routine starting tonight. First, let's talk about overall health. Something I tell my patients all the time is that sleep does not exist in a vacuum. Your body's ability to rest well depends upon everything from your brain health to your immune system, and this is where mushrooms really shine. Mushrooms contain compounds that stimulate nerve growth and help protect brain cells. There have been several clinical animal and cell studies published in the Journal of Natural Products that suggest mushrooms like lion's mane promote neurite outgrowth, axon branching, and enhance memory and cognitive function. As we age, this means sharper thinking, better memory, and possibly even protection against cognitive decline. And by protecting neurons from degradation, it could potentially reduce the risk of diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and dementia. Mushrooms are also incredibly important for our immune system. Many mushrooms like shiitake, miyake, and turkey tail are packed with beta-glucans. These are special fibers that train your entire immune system to respond more effectively. Think of them as a workout for your immune system. Your defenses stay alert without becoming overactive. Studies have shown that compounds in mushrooms have antiviral capabilities. They help slow viral replication and increase the body's production of antiviral proteins. And all of this is huge for aging because a stronger immune system means fewer colds, faster recovery, and less inflammation overall. Before I move on, if you're on Medicare, there's a good chance that you might be on the wrong plan and not even know it. I was talking to one of my older patients the other day, and he told me that he switched his Medicare plan last year and has already saved over $1,000. And he did it using a free service called Chapter. And when I looked into it myself, I honestly wish I had known about it sooner. Chapter advisors will make sure your doctors are covered. They explore every plan available in your area, and they even check to see if you qualify for extra benefits. And they can compare all of your options in under 20 minutes. So if you want real, unbiased help with Medicare, give Chapter a call at 912-809-3127. You'll actually talk to a real person who will help you figure out exactly which plan is right for you for free. Another benefit with mushrooms, they can help balance blood sugar. Why does that matter? Turns out blood sugar crashes in the evenings are one of the sneaky reasons why people wake up between 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning. Keeping blood sugar steady during the day sets you up for more uninterrupted rest at night. Chronic inflammation increases as we age, and it's linked to everything from arthritis pain to heart disease. Mushrooms like reishi and chaga are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Less inflammation often means fewer aches and pains waking you up at night. And it doesn't stop there. They're also great for stress and relaxation. Mushrooms like cordyceps may increase ATP production, which is the energy currency of cells, which helps the brain cells function much more efficiently. Some mushroom compounds balance neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, improving mood, reducing anxiety, or depression. Early research links mushroom consumption to lower risk of depression in population studies. Lastly, certain mushrooms exposed to sunlight can actually provide vitamin D, a nutrient that's harder to get as we age, but critical for bone health, mood, and regulating your body's sleep-wake cycle. And fun fact, mushrooms are one of the only vegan-friendly whole food sources of vitamin D. Most other sources are animal-based like fatty fish, eggs, liver, and dairy. Now let's focus on sleep, specifically as we get older. Although preliminary research on mushroom is still very limited, a recent review from the University of Reading looked at the effects of mushrooms on mood and neurocognitive health, suggesting promising benefits for both stress relief and anxiety. The reason this is important is because high stress hormones at night are one of the biggest reasons older adults can't wind down. A double-blind, placebo-controlled study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that reishi supplementation lowered cortisol levels in healthy adults compared to the placebo group. Lowering evening cortisol helps sleep by reducing circadian rhythm disruption. Although these results are encouraging, It should be noted that this was a single, small-scale trial and more research is needed for confirmation. Let's also talk about the potential benefits to fewer nighttime wake-ups. A study in pharmaceutics found that mushrooms, long recognized for medicinal properties, show potential benefits in managing blood sugar by improving insulin resistance. Mushrooms that balance blood sugar and reduce inflammation, like maitake and chaga, may help minimize little disruptions like blood sugar dips or joint pain that wake you up in the middle of the night. Before we talk about how to actually use mushrooms for better sleep, if you want to learn more ways to get better sleep tonight, go subscribe to the channel right now. I've got a bunch of great sleep tip videos coming out soon that you're not going to want to miss. And if you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like. Your support allows me to create more content like this for you in the future. And while you're at it, swing on over to sleepdoctor.com. We have an incredible shop with tons of products that will help you stay asleep the entire night. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, let's put it all together in a simple daily routine that you can follow. Keep in mind, I'm covering a few different options, so feel free to try them all and see what works best for you. Starting in the morning for brain and mood support, you can try lion's mane taken in a powder or a capsule. I'd aim to start between 500 and 1,000 milligrams daily. You can also try cordyceps, which are great for daytime energy and circadian rhythm support. They also come in a powder form, and I'd start between 1 and 2 grams daily. Next, regarding daytime meals for blood sugar balance and immunity, try adding shiitake, maitake, or oyster mushrooms to any of your meals. A serving of around 100 grams cooked gives you beta-glucans and fiber to keep your blood sugar steady. If you're not sure where to start with meals, you can simply toss them into stir fries, omelets, or even soups. Now, for vitamin D support, you can eat them anytime during the day. I'd recommend looking for UV-exposed white button or portobello mushrooms at your local grocery store. Believe it or not, just one serving can give you between 400 and 800 international units of vitamin D. Add them either to lunch or dinner. As for the evenings, for your wind down and sleep, I'd start with reishi. Take maybe between 1 and 1.5 grams of extract powder or as a tea about 2 hours before bed. And lastly, you could try chaga. You can also take this as a calming tea in the evening. It's more targeted for inflammation if aches and pains are what's keeping you up at night. I'd consider 1 gram brewed in hot water. It works really well. Do you love eating mushrooms? Do you hate them? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go do that now. If you want to learn about the best supplements for sleep as you age or how to fall back to sleep in the middle of the night, go check out those videos right here. All right, everyone, that's it for this one. This is Dr. Michael Bruce, the Sleep Doctor, wishing you sweet dreams.